All right, y'all. I kind of teased you last night and told you that I was going to make a video today and introduce you to, but I got cut off because you only get like 15 seconds in those shorts. So I am going to introduce you to, because yesterday I introduced you to Hunter, my Mac 90. Today I am going to introduce you to my Bulldog. I went to store and I just had to adopt this Bulldog. I call her Jill. Now, first time Jill and I met eyes, I had to ask the lady, can I hold her? And she obliged. So real quick, I gotta tell you, the reason I got a shotgun to start with, Biden, Mr. Joe, Uncle Joe, Deal Joe, he said, I don't need an AR-15. Shotgun. Remember, he told Jill, his Jill, if you ever have a problem, just go out and put 2 slugs out there, and you won't have a problem anymore. So I thought, just in case, you know what's better than 2 slugs? 5, 10, 20. So I found Jill.
Protect yourself, get a double barrel shotgun, have the shells, a 12 gauge shotgun, and I promise you, as I told my wife, we live in an area that's wooded and somewhat secluded. I said, Jill, if there's ever a problem, just walk out on the balcony here, or walk out, put that double barrel shotgun and fire 2 blasts outside the house. I promise you, who's ever coming in is not going to, you don't need an AR-15. It's harder to aim, it's harder to use, and in fact, you don't need 30 rounds to protect yourself. Buy a shotgun.
So, without further ado, here's Jill. All right, y'all. I finally get to get out and show you Jill. Well, that's not Jill. That's actually Joe, but I got to put Joe back together. He fell apart walking up the stairs the other day. This is Jill. So as you know, Joe said to Jill, all you need is a shotgun. So I got me a shotgun. Alrighty, y'all. This is my Bulldog Jill. As you can see, Jill is unloaded. Nothing in there. Nothing ready to go. So I put a little forward grip on there just so I get that little extra. And then, alright, y'all, we got 5 rounds of buckshot here. That's just pretty much what I could find back when we were having all these shortages. So I got a bunch of that. And then I'm gonna run off 5 rounds of this thing here. See what happens. All right, Jill's ready. And just for fun, I added me a little laser on there. Not that it really matters. So, here goes nothing. Alright, y'all. Safety's on. Magazine's out. Rear Jill out. Might as well turn off that laser. But, bottom line, Jill was right. Jill, all you need is a shotgun, and they're gonna run away. Alright, I guess Joe was right. All you need is a shotgun.